listing agreement outlines terms with your real estate brokerage, including commission and marketing services. The purchase agreement details the sale terms, while the property disclosure statement requires transparency about property conditions. Deeds transfer ownership, with warranty deeds offering full protection. Florida-specific disclosures, like homeowners association and flood zone information, are crucial for compliance. Florida's disclosure laws mandate sellers to reveal all known material facts affecting property value, as established in Johnson versus Davis. Key disclosures include water issues, structural problems, environmental hazards, and property damage history. Sellers must disclose non-observable issues, and as-is clauses don't negate this duty. Transparency is crucial to avoid legal repercussions. Creating a competitive marketing package for your Pensacola home involves professional photography, compelling property descriptions, and detailed floor plans. High-quality images and engaging narratives highlight your home's unique features and lifestyle benefits. Incorporating video tours and neighborhood insights further enhances buyer interest, while transparent cost information builds confidence. These elements collectively attract qualified buyers and support your desired price point. Understanding the financial reality of selling is crucial. Sellers often focus on sale price, but net proceeds are what truly matter. In Pensacola, sellers typically spend 8 to 10% on closing costs, reducing net proceeds to 90 to 92% of sale price. Major expenses include agent commissions, title insurance, and transfer taxes. Prorations, mortgage payoff adjustments, and repair credits further impact final proceeds. Managing a home sale and relocation requires strategic planning. Start 3 to 6 months prior by meeting with a real estate agent, decluttering, and researching new housing. At 2 to 3 months, list your home and begin serious housing searches. As you approach 1 to 2 months, negotiate contracts and secure moving services. Finalize preparations 2 to 4 weeks before moving, ensuring all logistics align smoothly. Opening your home for showings requires strategic security measures. Inventory and secure valuables, protect personal information, and safeguard medications. Use smart home technology wisely by changing Wi-Fi passwords and securing devices. Opt for agent-accompanied showings or electronic lockbox systems for controlled access. Appointment-only systems and open houses offer varied security levels, balancing exposure with protection. Coordinating the sale and purchase of homes in Pensacola requires strategic timing. Selling first offers financial security, while buying first provides convenience, but risks dual mortgages. Simultaneous closings balance both, needing precise coordination. Bridge financing offers flexibility, accessing equity before selling. Financial preparation involves assessing equity, sourcing down payments, and planning interim housing, ensuring smooth transitions between transactions. Selling your Pensacola home is an emotional journey, blending financial stress and identity transition. Initially, excitement and anticipation dominate, but soon, stress and overwhelm set in as preparation intensifies. Sensitivity to feedback and defensiveness may arise during showings. Transition and release occur as acceptance grows, focusing on future plans and moving logistics. Understanding these stages aids resilience. In today's digital-first real estate market, your home's online presentation is crucial. 97% of buyers start their search online, spending just 3.2 seconds deciding on a listing. Professional photography with proper lighting, wide-angle lenses, and consistent styling enhances your home's appeal. Complement photos with 3D tours, drone shots, and walkthrough videos to maximize buyer interest. Negotiating repair requests post-inspection is crucial for maintaining deal momentum. Understand the inspection process. Buyers hire inspectors who document property conditions. Post-inspection, buyers request repairs or credits. Sellers respond with agreements, counterproposals, or refusals. Prioritize safety and structural issues. Address functionality problems and negotiate deferred maintenance. Consider offering credits instead of repairs to simplify transactions and reduce disputes. Pensacola's diverse neighborhoods require tailored pricing strategies. Historic districts, like East Hill, demand premiums for architectural uniqueness, while waterfront areas focus on view quality and insurance costs. Military-adjacent neighborhoods align with basic allowance for housing rates and permanent change of station cycles. And family-oriented suburbs prioritize school zones and amenities. Strategic price positioning maximizes buyer interest by aligning with search thresholds and competitive inventory. Understanding real estate contracts is crucial for Pensacola sellers. Florida standard contract forms, like the Florida Realtors/Florida Bar contract, offer a balanced framework. The as-is variation limits repair obligations but retains buyer inspection rights. Condominium transactions require specific addendums. Key provisions include purchase price, inspection rights, closing date, and included items, ensuring clarity and protecting seller interests. Closing challenges often arise from financial and legal complications. Appraisal shortfalls can jeopardize loans, requiring renegotiation or contract termination. Prevent by pricing realistically and providing appraisers with recent improvements. Buyer financing issues may occur despite pre-approval. Verify lender reliability and maintain communication. Title defects, such as unreleased liens, require early resolution. Order preliminary title work and address known issues proactively. Selling within homeowners associations or condominium associations requires understanding distinct legal frameworks. Homeowners associations, governed by Florida Chapter 720, focus on exterior appearance and common areas with mandatory membership. Condominiums, under Chapter 718, involve more restrictions and extensive disclosure. Cooperative associations, less common, involve stock transfers and strict approval processes. Community development districts add financial disclosure requirements, affecting buyer qualification due to higher tax burdens. Pensacola's flood zones significantly impact property marketability and insurance costs. High-risk zones like A, AE, and VE require mandatory flood insurance and affect resale value. Moderate-risk zones offer lower premiums, but still warrant protection. Low-risk zones have minimal restrictions, but can flood in extreme events. Accurate flood zone identification and elevation certificates are crucial for proper disclosure and marketing. Out-of-state buyers in Pensacola include military relocations, retirees, remote workers, and affordability migrants. Each group has unique motivations, such as military timelines, retirees seeking lifestyle benefits, remote workers needing connectivity, and affordability migrants leveraging equity.